Want to add conditional logic to show or hide fields based on user input in Elementor forms? After installing Cool FormKit, navigate to Cool FormKit from Elementor section. Make sure that you have enabled conditional logic from form elements. Let's say I want the company name and years of experience field to appear when the user answers yes to have you worked before. Navigate to the Conditions tab of your form field. Toggle on the condition. Now, enter the field ID of the form field that should trigger the condition. You can access the field ID from Advanced Settings. Next, choose a comparison operator and enter value to compare. Similarly, let's add a condition to next field. After being satisfied with all the changes, publish the page and preview it.